Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries, where I use my Tesla Model 3 and do Uber Eats deliveries. It's Friday. Yep, you heard me. Friday. I haven't done a Friday in 2 weeks after that disastrous one I had that time. But we're starting off with a good one. $9.11 for 21 minutes. A minute later, they popped in with another one. $5.99 for only an additional 13 minutes. $15 to start off the night. Let's go do it. Yes, thank you. Have a great night. Appreciate it. Hi, picking up for Uber Eats, B161C. Yeah, thank you. You too. How you doing tonight?
What?
How are you tonight?
Good.
There's your pizza. Thank you. Enjoy. How you doing tonight?
Good, how are you?
Doing well.
Perfect.
There you go, sir.
Thank you very
Enjoy.
much.
Have a good night.
Thank you, same to you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. I don't want to get too excited over tonight, but it's rolling, it's hopping, it's doing everything, especially with this one. $14.13 for 28 minutes. Well, we're almost at $30. Let's go grab them. Uber Eats for Mary. Perfect. Thank you. Appreciate it. You too. Hi, I'm picking up Uber Eats for Corey.
Corey?
Yes.
This is the first one.
Okay.
1 minute, Corey? Yeah.
Corey, yeah. 4 bags.
All the drinks, yeah.
And the drinks are in there as well?
No.
She's getting me the drinks. Gotcha.
Let's get it started.
Perfect. Thank you.
Something for you, you don't have?
Thanks. Enjoy. You too. Wow, that was an adventure. You know what? Every time I go to Taco Bell, KFC, every time I go there, it's just a horrible experience. The food was ready, but the drinks were not. Then she gives me a tray that is so thin, so flimsy. I'm really surprised one of those drinks didn't spill and it actually made it to the customer's home in perfect condition. Thankfully, he came out and I was able to warn him because I think those drinks were destined to be everywhere. So not only that, but right when I was ready to leave the parking lot, I swiped, verified the order, let's go. It gave me the address, but then it goes, oops, something went wrong. Took me back into the order for Taco Bell. It did it twice, but thankfully the third time it took, I was able to do the delivery. Comment down below if that's ever happened to you. It's never happened to me before. I really didn't want to have to call Uber support and delay my time. But I'm not delaying anymore because I'm continuing to roll. $7.37, 18 minutes. Let's grab some Chinese food. Hi, Uber Eats CE189 for Deanna. Perfect, thank you. Have a good night. Thanks. There you go.
Awesome.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
Enjoy. After getting so many good orders, Uber started giving me some really bad orders. Here's the worst one of the night. $5.70, 43 minutes for 2 pickups. I absolutely had to decline that because it is the worst offer I'm going to see all night. But the good news, they eventually gave me a good one. $12.02, 32 minutes. Let's hope they're both ready and we can cut off some of that time. Hi, Uber Eats pickup EC296 for Haka. Perfect. Thank you so much. Hi, picking up another one, BB984. Perfect, thank you. You too, thanks so much. After about 10 minutes of declining, I got my tea and I got this one, $11.13 for 19 minutes. It's 2 pickups, but they're really, really close. I'm gonna be almost at $60. Wow, who would have thunk it? I'm picking up 2 orders for Uber Eats. Thank you. So I've had some really good orders tonight, but these restaurants are killing me. That last restaurant, I had to wait for both orders. 15 minutes just wasting my time. I was just waiting and waiting and waiting. And then the pizza place before that, I was at least 10 minutes there. So don't mistake it. I'm really happy with the orders I'm getting, but I just want more. I want to keep it rolling, and I'm going to roll with this one, $11.05 for only 18 minutes. Let's hope it's ready. Fingers crossed. Hi, Uber Eats for Renee. Perfect, they're ready. Thank you. Hi, good. How about you?
Good, thank you.
Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Uber is still being nice to us, and the night is continuing to roll. It's okay, but it should be done really easily. An easy $6 for 11 minutes. If it's ready, it'll be way shorter than that. It's literally just down the road. Hi, Uber Eats for Steve. Sure. That's it. Thank you. Appreciate it. That customer was a immediate door, and he sent a message in the app saying just to leave it on the table. So what I do in those situations is I always take an extra picture just in case he says he didn't get it. I don't think there's anything shady going on with that. He just probably didn't want to come down, but it's there, and we got another one. It's $5 for 13 minutes. I know you're probably thinking, why are you taking a $5 offer? Only because it's just down the road, and I've never waited at this restaurant. Hopefully I didn't jinx it. Let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats for Ryan. Wonderful, thank you, appreciate that. You too. So the non-tippers have come out to play. All I'm seeing is $3 orders, $4 orders. Orders just not worth taking. One of them was $6, 38 minutes. Definitely not going to take that one. Now I'm seeing nothing because Uber put me on a timeout. So I'm going to call it a night. If you could like this video and subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate it. My grand total for this evening, $81.80, and I was out for 3.5 hours. You know what? Not bad of a night. I'll take it. Especially considering that Friday that was a disaster. Anyways, thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.